guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Nadesh Mbulu, a content creator based in Yaoundé, Cameroon. If it's your first time to come across this cute, beautiful face, you are definitely welcome. You're on the right channel. Please consider subscribing and you will not be disappointed. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. And thank you so much for those who have left their comment, those who like. I appreciate you guys so much. I don't take that for granted. And please, if you're oldies and you're not commenting, please let's be interactive. Please comment down below. Even if it's a negative comment, I'll still be glad and work on it. A negative comment that can make me improve, then that will be welcome. In today's video, we are doing a haul. As you have seen from the title, I'm showing you five or six simple classic dress you can rock to church, to the office, for parties, and you still look pen. Without wasting much of your time, let's get into the video. This is the first outfit I'm talking about. Is this flourish, pinkish, greenish, arch gown I'm wearing. Guys, this gown is serving me madam look. Like, don't I look like a madam? Call me madam, okay? This gown doesn't need much accessories. You can see the neck got you covered, see the hands, you just need a wash, and see it's giving me a fit. Guys, see, like, okay, sit down, and down is the most, like, I love the downer part. See the downer part, like, it's everything, guys. Everything you need. The gown is just so classic, and I wore it with these shoes. As you're seeing, is one of my favorite. Like, I love it so much. It just matches everything. The shoes are so nice. Like, I love it. It's comfortable. The length is everything. And this gown, you don't need to cover your mommy pouch. Like, it got you covered already. Guys, tell me if you are not in love with this gown. That is classic. You can go to the office and they call you madam. You go for parties, you look butchy. Like, you think this auntie is serving me rich auntie vibe. Why not it for pocket? Okay guys, this is the first outfit, and you can spice with a bag. Let me just bring one bag. Okay guys, how is the small bag with this? Guys, tell me you're not calling me madam. Is it the pin that is too much, or what? Do you think I should take something else? But for me, it's just okay. I think it's not too much, but if you think it's too much, you just tell me. Okay guys, this is the first one. Let's jump into the second look. The second look is this yellow gown with the pleats. It has a belt still. Like, I don't know, it's not really showing yet, but the gown is so nice. I don't want to wear it back. I don't want to wear it again because I've worn it already and I have pictures of it. This one, I don't have picture of it, that's why I wore it again. But this gown is serving you rich, simple. You can take it to church, for parties. Like, guys, it's everything you need. It's just everything you need. Okay guys, we go to the third outfit. Okay guys, at this point I'm showing you guys the third look. The third look is similar to the first look, and the second, I think, is still this gown saving you madam. For this one, you need accessory. You need a chain, like a jewelry to come down. Like, it's better the one that goes down, like it's everything. I'm not that kind of exposing too much. Like, I'm not serving upper part too much. I don't like it. Okay, let me focus on you guys. This is it. It has long sleeves. It has a belt that cinches you up. Like, it takes you, it snatches you, and you have this look of young lady. Go down, and I rock it with this pair of shoes that I love so much. These are the most simple shoes you can rock with everything. At that position, you don't know what to wear. Wear this. Gold, first of all, goes with everything. You can wear this outfit to go to church, to go to a party, to go for outing, to go to the office, and you will still be looking good and classy. That tell me, by now we are on the third outfit. I'm sure by now you tell me which one is your favorite. Which one do you love more? More to come? Guys, let me tell you backstory about these gowns. I used to wear a lot of this kind of gowns when I gave birth because I was too conscious of this. But now that I think I'm working on it, and actually I'm seeing the difference. I don't really need to wear this kind of gowns again. But still, I thought it was just for women that had stomach. But now I don't have the stomach like that much, but it fits me so well. It's so nice. I can still wear it. I still wear it like to go to church. Okay guys, tell me, let me add up something so to see. Let me spice the back. At this point I'm confused which back to use. I'm like, should I use this or this back? I think let's go for this one. Okay, madam, your bag here, and you're going to go to the office, to church. And if I want to go for parties, I want to take this bag. I'll take a smaller one, like something like this. If I want to go for parties, I think this will go for it, since the shoes are low, and this will be better. Okay guys, let's go to the fourth outfit. Okay guys, this is the third look. This is simple small madam. How is this look? How is this going down? I just love it so much. I love it not so much. It's not what this gown is not one of my fave. It doesn't make me that excited. But how is it? It can be someone's fave. So tell me guys, do you love this gown? I see this is the detail how it goes behind. In front, this is how it looks. It looks like a jacket here. That's what got me attracted to this gown. The detail going down here, down, and I pair it with these sandals. Like this one is so easy to wear, like I can wear it the whole day. And I think this gown you can take it to church, to the office, to parties. I don't really know. I don't think I can take it for a party. It depends on the party, but it's just simple. And I style my hair differently, one side, to give a different look. Like to pair it with the back. Let me show you the back. I think will be ideal for it. Is this brown back? Since the color is already shouting for me, it's green. I cannot wear green something. Either I go for brown or gold. You see? And the gold will go with the shoes. Just okay. What do you think? Is this your fave? Do you love this look? Are you the one that will go in for this? And see, when you eat too much, don't see show when your stomach is bloated. You still be okay. Okay, let me take pictures. Instagram you. Okay guys, at this point this is the fit outfit. Like from now you can definitely tell what this girl loves, the kind of gown she wears. That definitely defines me. Like people know exactly what I want those clothes to be. When they see this kind of thing, they're like, no, this nah. This so much look like nah. And for me, this gown doesn't need much. It's already doing most. It's already everything for me. Like they have from the hands to the details. You don't need something extra. You just go with this. Or what do you think? And for the shoes, I went with these shoes. I've had these shoes for 2 years. They have never sized me since day one till now. So it's not a shoe. I just wear it for pictures, like not to really go out because it's small. Seriously, it's tight to me. How do you think? How is the shoes? I got it when I was pregnant because of the heels, but definitely it's not my size. How is the leg? How is this girl? Hey, will you invite me to church? Yeah. See, this like it's not too much. She's not doing like it's classic, sexy mom, like doing everything. You see, even the set is not too much. It's not excess. It's not something you can't handle. To church, I can go to church, to work, like office wear, yes. Party wear, yes, of course. I will go for a party dressed like this. You think, is this your fave? Do you love this look? It's not something, it's not your type. All these gowns I got them 1 year ago, except for the green one that I got like 6 months. But all the other gowns I got it since, and I just thought of sharing it with you guys. Okay guys, this is the last one because at this point I'm tired. Okay, this is the last one, and this one is not my favorite. I don't know why, but this is the most worn. That's my biggest problem. Like, this is not my favorite, but it's the most worn. Is this gown. Like, I see how it goes down. What I don't like in this gown is this. Seriously, it's giving me grandma vibe. But when I remove it this way, guys, tell me the vibe is giving. Like, it's okay. I think I'll remove this for sure. I think I'm removing this veil. This veil is covering me a lot. Like this is just the best for me. I took it with these black sandals, heels. It's just okay. And I changed the look of my hair. If you can see, can you notice the hair? The hair have changed the look just because I wanted to give this look a different look, like make it more responsible. This like this, I can take it to church, I can take it for parties. I've taken it like this to a party. Okay guys, how is it? Do you love it this way? I think this thing is spoiling it a lot. I'm like, why? Okay, I can take it to church, to parties, for office, and it's just okay for outing with your friends. Finally, I'm confused which one bag to wear. I was thinking of this bag because, as I said, I don't like too much compare like that. Okay, if I break like this, do you like it this way with this bag, green bag, or with the red bag, with this mini red bag? For me, what I used to wear it with, let me show you. I think with this bag, it's giving mommy nah. Yeah, it's giving me the vibe of a mother going to church and diapers inside the bag, like children's stuff inside. Like for church, definitely I'll wear this, but for parties, no. For the parties, I'll take a smaller bag. For office, I will still wear this. Guys, which one was your favorite? Which one did you enjoy most? Which one can you take for parties? Which one is better for office? And which one can you take for church or out with some friends? I tell you guys mine already, but I think this, I'm loving this like this. Next time you see me rocking this, definitely will be like this. Okay guys, please comment down below, tell me which one you enjoy the most so I can know. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching to this point, and see you guys in my next video. For now, bye.